This video is a part of a series all about manipulating arrays.
Let's talk about the find method. Say you're a teacher and you're looking for a volunteer in class. You want to choose the first student who says that they'll volunteer. We can use the find method to do this. Find will return the first item matching the function logic. It will return undefined if no match is found. Let's talk about the find method syntax. Here's a variable that will be the first item or undefined. This is the call to the find method itself. This is the function which each item will be iterated through. The first item matching the criteria will be sent back. Otherwise, the result will end up being undefined.
Let's dive into some code.
Here we have the array of students we talked about. Let's create a variable called volunteer. We'll call the find method, and within that criteria, we'll be trying to find the first student with willing to volunteer set to true. We'll make sure to console log this so that we'll be able to see the result. Let's run our file using Node. You can see the result is the first student willing to volunteer. If no students were willing to volunteer in this array, we would have had undefined as the result.